Fluffy trying to hump Oscar. Uh-oh. Got Fluffy pinned down. Hi.
How are you guys?
All right. What are we learning this week?
Oh, we're going to learn about costumes, and we're going to finish up that theme. We'll kind of talk about subjects. Sometimes it changes based on what people are having questions about. So like, gosh, everyone's getting chewed and mouthed on, and we're all talking about that. So we'll know we got one. So we'll kind of take a little consensus and see what we have. They're gonna move. There's a snake over here in this area. So if you have fear of snakes, just to let you know ahead of time.
Are they trying to grab it?
They might try to move it.
Relocate. Is this a garden snake or?
You know, I don't.